I spent 3 weeks building two spreadsheets, one for a catamaran and one for a monohull. Same size range, same age range, same intended use, coastal cruising, eventually offshore. Let's start with the cost that everybody already knows, the purchase price. A decent used catamaran in the 38 to 42 foot range, something like a Lagoon 380 or a Leopard 38, you're looking anywhere between 150,000 to 250,000, depending on age and condition. Sometimes more, sometimes less. A comparable monohull, a 30 to 35 footer, something like a Catalina 30 or a Hunter 33, a used Beneteau. You can find solid boats in the $20,000 to $50,000 range, sometimes less, sometimes more. So right out of the gate, the catamaran cost ran 3 to 5 times more. Insurance. More boat, more value, more premium. A $200,000 catamaran is going to run you $3,000 to $6,000 a year in offshore coverage. A $30,000 monohull, you're looking at anywhere between $600 and $1,200. Slip fees. Catamarans are wide. That's kind of their whole thing. But marinas charge by the beam. A 38-foot cat with a 22-foot beam is paying for a 22-foot slip, not a 38-foot slip. In the Chesapeake Bay area, that's the difference between $600 a month and $1,200 a month. In Florida or the Caribbean, it's worse. Some marinas won't take catamarans at all. So on paper, year one, the monohull wins by a landslide, not even close. And most people stop the math right there. That's the mistake. That is the clear mistake. Because nobody talks about what happens after year one. Year one, you're riding high. You bought the boat. You did the survey. You fixed the obvious stuff. You're out there. You're sailing. You're living the life you want to live. Year two is when the boat starts telling you what it actually costs to own. Every sailboat needs to come out of the water periodically for bottom paint, inspection, and hull work. On a monohull, a standard haul out at a DIY boatyard somewhere like the Chesapeake City, which is exactly where I'm planning to do mine, runs $800 to $1,500, depending on boat length. You do the labor yourself, you keep the cost down. Simple. On a catamaran, a haul out is a specialized lift. Not every yard can do it. The ones that can charge a premium because they can. You're looking at anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 just for the hull. And because the hulls are wide and separated, bottom paint alone takes twice the time, twice the materials, and twice the cost. Now let's talk about systems. A catamaran has two of almost everything. 2 engines, 2 transmissions, 2 sets of through hulls, 2 bilge pumps. If something breaks on a monohull, you fix one thing. If something breaks on a catamaran, you fix it twice. Not ideal. And the reason is that because if one side has the problem, the other side is probably right behind it. Engine maintenance alone, that's 2 outboards or 2 diesels. That doubles your annual service cost. Budget by $1,000 or $2,000 per engine per year for routine maintenance. Sales. The catamaran sale plan is bigger. More square footage, more wear, more cost to replace. A used mainsail for a 30-foot monohull might run you $1,500 secondhand. A cat's main, double that, minimum. As a beginner, you are going to make mistakes. That's inevitable, and that's okay. You are going to bump a dock. You're going to ground the boat. You are going to winch something the wrong direction. On a monohull, most of these mistakes are cheap. Fiberglass repair on a single hull. A bent stand joint, a chafed line, manageable. On a catamaran, on the other hand, you have 2 hulls to damage, a bridge deck to worry about, and a boat worth 5 times as much. The same beginner mistake costs 5 times as much to fix. Maybe more, maybe less, but still 5 times. So here are the actual numbers side by side. Monohull, 30-foot used boat, solid condition. Purchase $25,000 to $35,000. Annual slip or mooring, $2,400 to $4,800. Insurance, $800 to $1,200. Annual maintenance, haul out, bottom paint, $2,000 to $3,500. All in year one, roughly $32,000 to $45,000. Catamaran, 38-foot used boat, comparable condition. Purchase price, $175,000 to $225,000. Annual slip $10,000 to $15,000. Insurance $3,500 to $6,000. Annual maintenance haul out bottom paint $6,000 to $10,000. All in year one, roughly $195,000 to $255,000. That's not a small difference. That's a life-altering difference. Hence why I'm going with a monohull. And the part that gets me, the part that genuinely changed how I think about all of this, is that the monohull path leaves you with money, leaves you with a sort of safety net. The catamaran path spends all of that before you even leave the dock. The math doesn't lie. The catamaran is way more expensive. Next week, I'm getting into something that surprised me even more than the numbers. I'm going to talk about why sailors with 10 years of experience, people who should know better, still end up making the wrong call on this decision. And the reason why is honestly kind of uncomfortable. Subscribe if you want to be there for that one. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Subscribe. Peace. I'll see you guys out on the water.